So you might be inside of Microsoft Excel, and you might be trying to figure out how you can manage your protection of your workbook, meaning how can you lock and unlock a particular workbook inside of your particular Microsoft Excel sheet. Now, to go ahead and unlock a particular workbook, what you want to do is you want to scroll to the bottom of your particular sheets that are at the bottom. So I have sheet 1, I have sheet 2. An easy way to tell if a sheet is particularly locked is if you see this little unlock button and lock button right here. What you can do is you can go through and you can right click on this sheet right here, and there should be an option that says pause protection. If you see this, click on it, a little password option is going to come up, and you want to type in the passcode that you basically made or that you have access to. Now remember, if the passcode you're typing in is wrong, it's not going to allow you to go ahead and basically unlock it. There's no way to hack into it, there's no way to do that. So if you don't have the passcode, if it's telling you the passcode's incorrect, try reaching out to the person who made the passcode, or try remembering what the passcode was in the first place. Sometimes that can be the very easy way of kind of fixing this problem. Now if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, what you can also do is you can try going through and maybe making another sheet inside of that workbook and try pasting some of that data over. So try copying and pasting some of that data in the formulas, pasting it over to a new sheet, and try restarting from there. If you want to manage the protection, aka delete the passcode or whatever, you can right click on a workbook like this, click on manage protection, and this pop-up is going to come up on the side, type in that passcode again that you made, and then you can go through and basically turn off the passcode protection from there, and now you'll see that the passcode option went away, and now you'll be okay and you can just use your device whichever way you want to. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.